Hi, I'm Skylar. If you want to use Keynote in order to make text appear to slide in during a transition, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. It's just kind of hidden. So let's check it out. Here I'm looking at Keynote, and I've got some text here. Double-click to edit. I'm just going to say slide. Okay, so I've got text. Now, go to Inspector, and this one right here is Build. It's the Build Inspector. So I want to build this text in with the effect move. So move in. There we go. I can choose the direction, left to right, right to left, bottom to top, etc. So I'm going to say that the direction is going to be left to right. The order is first, so it's the first thing that happens, and the delivery is all at once. I can also change this. Say I've got a list of bulleted items, then I can change by bullet, bullet group, or highlighted bullet. And I can also change the duration. So if I want it to be fast, then I would change this to, say, half a second. There we go. We see it moves quicker. Or if I wanted it to be slow, change it to, say, 1.5 seconds. Okay, so I've created the slide, or the build. I'm going to close that, and now I'm going to click play. There we are. And the text slides in very smoothly. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.